Which statement about M. robustus and the octopus garden is best supported by the text? In 2018, scientists discovered an immense aggregation of Mosoctopus robustus, pearl octopuses, along a hydrothermal vent 3,200 meters beneath the ocean surface. Water temperatures at this site, named the Octopus Garden, climb as high as 11 degrees Celsius, much warmer than the ambient 1.6 degrees Celsius typical at this depth. Based on observations made over 3 years, scientists concluded that temperatures at the site likely confer reproductive benefits, and that the site is used exclusively for reproduction. 6,000 M. robustus adults, hatchlings, and eggs were observed at the garden, but no juveniles were present. So the text highlights how a scientist observed an immense aggregation or collection of Mosoctopus robustus at a hydrothermal vent 3,200 meters beneath the ocean surface. And this area is called the Octopus Garden, and the octopus gather here because temperatures climb to as high as 11 degrees Celsius. And that this site was used exclusively for reproduction, where 6,000 M. robustus adults, hatchlings, and eggs were observed at the garden, but no juveniles, which proves how it was used exclusively for reproduction. So with this information, let's look at the answer choices. A. M. robustus leave the octopus garden upon reaching an intermediary stage of development. So this seems to be the correct answer, because the text highlights how the octopus garden was used exclusively for reproduction, meaning octopuses that are reproducing, or only eggs and other smaller octopuses are present here. No intermediary octopus, any octopus at an intermediate stage of development are not present, which is proven by this text. Therefore, A is likely the correct answer. B. The M. robustus population at the octopus garden remains stable despite variations in water temperature. This is incorrect because the focus of the text isn't on the population of M. robustus at the octopus garden. Rather, it's on how this site was used for reproduction. Furthermore, we don't know any information about how stable the population is at the octopus garden, so we can't assume that it would remain stable despite variations in water temperature, which we don't know either because never does it say here that the water temperatures vary. So we can eliminate option choice B. C. M. robustus nests in the octopus garden contain on average fewer but larger eggs than nests at similar ocean depths. So this is incorrect because nothing in the text highlighted the size of these eggs. So we can't assume that they contain fewer larger eggs than nests at similar ocean depths. And so with this we can eliminate option choice C. D. The octopus garden provides an ideal feeding ground for M. robustus hatchlings. So this is incorrect because in the text, the octopus garden is described as being a good place because of the warmer temperatures and how it was good exclusively for the reproduction. Therefore, the site was highlighted as a site for reproduction and for its higher temperatures. Nothing in the text mentions anything about it being an ideal feeding ground. Therefore, we can eliminate D as well. And with this, we know that the correct answer is A.